Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Tonight we're going to be giving away a drone. It's a S150. It's a brushless motor drone. And we're going to announce who the lucky winner is going to be. There'll be a random selection of one commenter, and that's who the winner will be. Good luck everyone. The video will pop up real soon here of the giveaway picker. Selecting a random one. Let's see who it's going to be. Alright, here we go. Let's pick a winner. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. Sam Ridgway, you are a winner. Congratulations. Thank you so much for participating, and I hope you enjoy your new drone. We'll contact you through comments, and we'll go from there. Thank you all for watching, and if you didn't win, stay tuned because there'll be a new video coming up for the next giveaway. We're going to be doing another 4-pack back to back. At least going to be some brushless drone, maybe a GPS drone in there somewhere. You never know. Thank you all for joining in the fun, and hope you all have a great night. Stay safe everyone, and I hope to see you all back here next time at JRC Hobby Reviews. Thanks again guys. Have a great night.